Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bloom effect using an easy method. First, understand that bloom simulates light scattering, making bright areas glow. This visual enhancement adds realism and depth to your scenes, making light sources appear more intense and vibrant. It's a post-processing effect that can dramatically improve the visual quality of your graphics, giving a more immersive experience. We will cover the simple steps to achieve this. To begin, ensure your rendering pipeline supports post-processing effects. Next, locate and add the bloom component to your main camera or scene. Many engines offer this as a built-in feature. It is crucial that your scene contains areas of high luminance, such as emissive materials or strong light sources, for the bloom effect to be visible and impactful. Without bright elements, the effect will not be noticeable. Now, let's fine-tune the bloom. The threshold setting determines which pixels are bright enough to trigger the effect. A lower value means more areas will bloom. Adjust the intensity to control the strength of the glow, typically ranging from 0 to 100%. The radius or spread parameter dictates how far the bloom extends from its source. Experiment with these 3 key settings to achieve your desired visual outcome. For optimal results, remember that less is often more. A subtle bloom can be more effective than an overpowering one. Consider combining bloom with other post-processing effects, such as color grading or vignetting, to create a richer visual experience. Always test your settings across different lighting scenarios to ensure consistency. Finally, be mindful of performance, as excessive bloom can impact frame rates, especially on less powerful devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.